Hi, my people. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. So, yeah, as promised, I'm here again. So, okay, let's not leave talk. And so, yesterday I was here just to analyze this particular market, volatility 50, and you can see it's almost at my TP. It is almost at my TP. So this will be the last time I will talk about this particular market. So what I want to do now, I want to do a quick analysis for you guys. Let me just delete all of these stuffs and try to do a fresh analysis. So in our last video, I talked about what tool really works in trading synthetic indices of volatility index. So and I mentioned that breakup structure for me, what works for me personally, and I will say it. Yeah, it actually depends on what the market is printing to you. In some cases, trend line. In some other cases, breakup structure. In some other cases, candlestick patterns. Some other cases, shake different stuff. So just know all of these things in your head. That will help you. Know all of this in your head. Whatever the market is printing for you, that's what you should go for. To get it, that is what you should apply. If it's printing, there are some printings that maybe it's just trend lines and candlestick formation that you use. That's all. Or trend lines, break and retest of structure. That's what is applied. That's what you can apply in that case. So let me just I'm going to do analyze volatility 50, volatility 50. I'm going to do 101s and what other one? Maybe boom, yeah, boom 150. Or let's go. I'll just analyze three for you, and my approach. I'm going to use, just follow along, so I can understand what I meant by you use strategies depending on what market is giving to you. So now, how I do it, I go to higher time frame, like daily time frame. Okay, so this market has given us, this is a zone here. I believe you guys know how to mark your major zones and your minor zones already, so I don't think so. Here's a zone. The market has come here about 1 2 3 4 times, making it a very strong zone. So that is to say this market is a downtrend, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and now it has decided to be coming down. So give us this lower high, lower low, sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You get it now. So this market is a downtrend. I only took a buy because there's potential and it's a long ride. You get it. So now there's a level here that needs to be respected, so to say. You know how markets move, the market structure, higher highs, higher lows, break and retest, break and retest, break and retest. You get, but norms on the norms, some people will put their break and retest around here, and I know someone that will do this. Yes, you're looking at me. You will probably do something like this and expect the markets to come down, break the zone, yeah, come down from here, broke this zone, came down, then come like this. I know you're looking at me. You're looking at me, but no, you're in the right place. You're in the right place. So don't mind me. I like to plus when I'm trading the market. It gives me joy. That's one of the things I said yesterday. You must find peace in it. You must find joy in doing it. Okay. So let me delete this rubbish. So there's a zone here which is here, but let me not use line. It's a zone. There's a reason why they call it zones. And I said yesterday as well. Sorry, my last video. 4 hours time frame has been a game changer for me. Sincerely, I won't lie. So here it is. But now I am going to put this zone here. Don't ask me why. I'm going to put this one here. I am expecting this market to come here in case you want to know how to catch sniper's entry. Don't worry, you can come to me. I will show you. So this is it. This is it. So I want this market to get here. I'm coming. This is forward, right? So guys, I usually set my the body of the candle. I usually set my stop loss and TPs at the bodies of the candle. That's why this line is also here. This line here, this horizontal line. You get. So I'm expecting this market to push up here. And boom, down. But you know, quite no, it won't just go up and come down. It's instantly, straight away like that. No. As you know, I'm a swinger. So once I pick, I'm a swing trader. I swing. So once I pick a particular instrument, once I pick a particular market, I make sure I ride it. I'll just check the potential movement to get and make sure I, yes, you understand what I'm trying to say. So that is basically it. So once the market gets here, what you'll be expecting just for you to confirm your analysis is a 4-hour rejection candle or a 4-hour bearish engulfing candle to the downside. You get it? So that was how I arrived at this market V50, and it played out just as I expected it. Our TP1 here, then TP2 here. That was it. That was it. So guys, I hope you understand better now. In this case now, check your, okay, I believe the explanation should do. You can see in this case I did not use anything like trend line. I didn't use trend line. Let me delete again and see. I didn't use trend line. I only used, I'm more of a candlestick formation and a break of structure kind of person. You get it? So I don't. And the reason why I took this trade was because I already told you guys. I saw this particular market, this particular candle, bullish candle, pressure bullish candle, and I was expecting market to retest around here. Once it comes around here, then I will be waiting for a rejection for our candle, which is this one, then to this side. You understand what I'm trying to say? You understand it? So I'm going to, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to save this one here so that next time we will remind ourselves that I did analyze this particular market. Mind you, this is solely based on if we get to this upper place and it gives us a 4-hour rejection candle. That if it gets to this place, this area, and it gives us 4-hour rejection candle, or markets, what's it called, candlestick formation. If I see some candlestick formations around here, that will point me or confirm to me that my analysis was correct. Do you get it? My analysis was correct. So we are basically looking at something like this, then to this place. It might take a while. You get, it might take a while, but we'll wait. So let me just save it. So our next market, our next instrument you should look at is it this? I didn't really want to show you this, but let me just show you. Yes, you can see in this case now I've not entered it, I've not executed this market, I just chew the whatever it is. Yes. So in this case now, what did I look out for? Yes, the market was trending upward quite all right, right? Higher highs, higher low, higher low, lower high, equal low, went up, then higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, then we expect the market to come around this zone. Now this is the reason why I said I don't draw my zone on a daily time frame. I would rather come to a 4 hour time frame to draw it. But what I check from the daily, just to check the overall structure, the overall trend of the market. The market is coming downward, right? The market is coming downwards, isn't it? So let's just check it out. I know. So I have this zone here. I have this zone here, which the market has gotten to. I can see it's kind of reacting. The market is kind of reacting around there, right? So what I'm looking at for, basically, let me just draw my trend line. Sorry. You can see in this case now, I'm adding trend lines to it. It has broken and retested. So what I'm looking at for now, this one also is a very long ride, a very long ride, a very long ride, a very long ride. So what I'm looking at for now, the market will hit this place. It has hit the place already there. Boom. And I already told you what I'm looking at for. Do you get it? I already told you what I'm looking at for. What I'm looking at for in this place now is this 4 hour rejection candle. This 4 hour rejection candle. Once this 4 hour reject, and close properly, I can now scale down to my 15 minutes, 1 hour, thereabout, then execute my trade. If you know you cannot take trade for long hours or long you cannot hold trade for long, you better just target either 1:3. In this kind of trade, just target 1:3. Obviously the market will give you entries, another entry, obviously. And if you are going to add positions to what I do, if I'm going to add positions to an exit a running trade, in most cases I use trend lines. In most cases I use trend lines. So the only thing that will make me take this trade now is seeing what I explained around here. This 4 hour candle should close with a pin bar. Then I'll now go to my 1 hour or 15 minutes to double check and be sure that this market, yes, is really going to obey this zone and do the needful. Let me also save it for future references. Then I'll go to, we've done V50, right? Yeah, we have done V50. Yeah, V100 one is, yes, we just closed a TP around here. You can see this one too as well. This one as well too. It's a 1:3, and I think it was today in the morning I called out this trade on our Telegram channel. In case you're not there, I'll leave the link in the description to this video. You can just click join. As I used to preach, you need a mentor. Do you get? I'm not saying I will be your mentor or I'll be your teacher. If you feel like I should be, no problem. What I'm trying to say is that for you to shorten your numbers of years or months you use to learn and be doing trial and error, get a mentor who already has gotten it clear. Yeah, you get me? Who already have struggled and conquered. You get? You pay them to teach you. You get? Because if you are doing self-learning, it will take you a while. So the channel is meant for where you post free signals every day. Yes. Whenever we see opportunities, not every day per se. Whenever we see opportunities, we post it there. So you can use that to be gathering small money. Depending on the time you gather enough money to pay for mentorship, be good. You understand? So I saw this market yesterday. I will also post the screenshots on the. I'll post the screenshot. You see. So I saw this. Okay, when I saw the market was still here. This candle just closed. I love 4 hours candles. This candle just closed. Like this market go, guys won't be. Do you understand? Then I marked out my point. This point is a game changer for me. I don't have to explain this to you. You get? You should know what I'm trying to do right now. Then went to lower time frame at the market, retested it here, which is this candle. Then boom, I entered a bit late. I think I entered around here. but I was still able to get it. Then here is our TP, and that was it. So this is the TP 1:3, and we're good. So what I'm expecting from this market now is to retest to probably around here. Now let me go to 4 hours. Yeah, it will come here, retest around here, because this market now is a downtrend. Is it a downtrend? Have you analyzed this before? Higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high, higher high, lower high, lower low, sorry, higher high, lower low, higher high, then lower low. This it's still around here. You get. Notwithstanding, everything you're doing is all solely based on the reaction of market around a particular zone. Whether we are selling or we are buying, reaction of market around a particular zone. That is basically what we are doing. So I posted it on the group, and we were able to take the trade. At least we have hit TP today. We have hit CP today, so to say. So that was that. That's that about that. Then let me check the last one for the day. Yes, is it this? Yes, this is it. I've not taken the trade because I've not gotten to my zone. So let me just delete these ones first. Yes. So I saw a market. I saw a market like this. With my force. I saw this what's it called? I saw this candle formed. You get it. Here's the zone here. There's also a zone here though, notwithstanding. But I saw this candlestick and I was like, okay, as usual, let me mark my golden zone. So I marked my golden zone. Do you get it? I marked my golden zone and I was expecting the market to come to the place. Then the market started doing what I don't know. But in everything you do, whenever you mark a zone, whatever the market is doing to lure you into entering the market prematurely, please don't take it. Don't be lured. In this game, if you are not patient enough, you cannot trade forex. If you are not patient, you cannot trade forex. There's nothing this market will do. I will still wait till it gets to this point, gets to this place, give me a confirmation, candlestick confirmation. Then before I will saying that I want to sell this market to this point. Do you understand me? If I will sell this market to this point. So these are just the overview of the markets I've been looking at. Yes, overview of the market I've been looking at, and you can see from the first to the second to the third. Yeah, it's a long ride. You get it? It's a long ride. So unless I forget, as I usually say, Trader West Africa will be doing. They will be hosting monthly boot camps every month, first, second, and third of every month, starting from August. So if you are interested, do well to join the Telegram group, or I'll also post the flyer on the screen so you can see. You get it? So do well to join the Signal group. Everything we'll be doing will be on the Telegram group. Yes, on the Telegram Signal group. That's where we'll host our monthly boot camps. So starting from August, first, second, and third of August, that's when we'll start it. And do well to join. If you don't have a prior knowledge about forex, most especially the derivative broker, synthetic indices, please just join. Join, learn one or two things, ask questions. You get it's a free class. It's a free class. Ask one or two things that are not clear to you. You get it's our job to explain to you. Then you can also take our trades on our Signal groups. Yes, on our Signal channel. Sorry, Telegram channel. You get it. Just all you need to do is just to apply proper risk management. That's all you need to do. And this thing is pretty simple. It's pretty simple. You get it? So this is how I approach the markets as a derivative, as a synthetic indices trader. This is my approach to the market. This is my approach to the market. This is not that it's getting simple to me. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, bro. Let me know. That story is for another day. That story is for another day. So just stay good, stay nice, stay jiggy. All right. Peace out.